The youth wing of the Federation of Muslim Women Association, FOMWAC, held a 24th workshop as part of effort to groom young Muslim ladies and to instill in them strong Islamic values and identity. Hausazone, the regional Amira, remarked the significance of the workshop and the success it has chalked over the years.
To educate and inform young girls on the true teachings of Islam, to know their status and role in Islam, their civic rights and responsibilities, armed with knowledge of contemporary issues such as HIV/AIDS, environmental degradation, sanitation, parent-child relationship, reproductive health, career guidance, among others. It has helped instill discipline and confidence in the young Muslim girls by empowering them through knowledge and information. It has also helped unite Muslim girls in the region and to network with sisters in other regions. It has also encouraged many girls to pursue higher education to the university level. Most of such girls have grown to become respectable and reputable women in society who have also influenced other Muslim girls positively to attain higher laurels.
Hajia Alisa Tuamdango, the financial secretary of FOMWAC Greater Accra, called on Muslims to support the cause.
We are calling on Islamic NGOs to support us. We need help. You can see that we have served them breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. And then they will be learning how to make soap, bead making, and all that. And these are all money. Yes, so we are pleading to all our Muslim communities. We are calling on everyone to come on board, to come and support us, so that we can groom our children very well, to take up from us, inshallah.
Some participants seized the opportunity to express their gratitude.
They are teaching us a lot of things here since I came yesterday. This dawn, we have a Dawah section. They've been teaching us a lot of things, and I appreciate that.
So I came here to look at Muslim women who have achieved a lot of good so that I can be more than them one day. At the end of this workshop, I would like to be able to improve my public speaking skills and relate well with others.
Kabira Ahmed Salis Ojitalayo reiterated the significance of the workshop.
I personally participated in workshops like this, and very often I see, like, when I'm faced with certain things, okay, they teach us about personal development, that's time management, public speaking, decision making, financial literacy. These are things that you definitely need in your life as an individual. Because if you even own your own business and you are running and you are not disciplined, your business will not flourish. But if you have the necessary, like you are somebody who is, discipline, you know how to manage time, you develop yourself and all that, you'll be able to succeed in any situation you find yourself. Whether you are working for yourself or you are working for somebody, that discipline is there, that push is there. Because if you are somebody who probably do not have that push, or you don't have the know-how, or you don't have the knowledge, or you don't know how to go about things, you just find a lot of things retarding. If probably we didn't get out of our beds today, I'm not sure we'll be here today. It's discipline that pushed us out of our homes, and that's why we are here today. And this thing is a success because we are here today. So basically, I see this to be very, very important. And I know in some years to come, they will also say that, hey, this workshop that I attended shaped me in this particular way.
Hajia Humu Zakaria, a member of FOMWAC and a state attorney, also called on all Muslim parents to be deliberate about the growth of their children.
Let us all come together and make the training of our children very important to us, so that our children will be able to be the next generation that will move Muslim community in Ghana forward. And then we encourage that parents who are listening to us, who have never brought their children to this camp, should also take the opportunity. Inshallah, next time, we normally do it every year around this time. They should find out wherever FOMWAC has a branch in Accra here and get involved, so that next year, inshallah, they'll be able to bring their children here.
The youth wing of the Federation of Muslim Women Association, FOMWAC, is committed to the development of Muslim ladies in all spheres of life across Ghana.
My Quran, my Quran and I. Oh, what a wonderful treasure Allah has given to Muslims. We are both working together. My
Quran and I, my Quran, and I. Oh, what a wonderful treasure Allah has given to Muslims. We are both working together, my Quran and I.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.